In just 3 seconds, a single drop of soap can travel over 2 kilometers at an incredible 50 kilometers per hour, showcasing its remarkable surface tension properties. When we think of soap, we often picture it as a simple, everyday household item used for cleaning and personal hygiene. However, the science behind soap is far more complex and fascinating, with its unique properties making it an essential component in various industries, from cosmetics to pharmaceuticals, and from food processing to agriculture. Soap plays a crucial role in numerous applications. But have you ever wondered why soap is so effective at removing dirt and grime from surfaces? It's because of its incredible ability to reduce surface tension, allowing it to penetrate deep into pores and lift away impurities. This phenomenon occurs when soap molecules, also known as surfactants, interact with water and other substances to create a stable emulsion. Imagine a mixture of oil and water normally. They would separate and not mix. But with soap, these two liquids combine to form a smooth, consistent mixture that's perfect for cleaning. But that's not the strangest part. Soap can also be used to create impressive chemical reactions, such as the formation of soap bubbles. Wait until you hear what comes next. Soap bubbles aren't just a fun party trick, but also a valuable tool in scientific research. For centuries, scientists have used soap bubbles to study the behavior of fluids and gases, and to understand complex phenomena like surface tension and viscosity. It's like trying to solve a puzzle, where each piece fits together to reveal a deeper understanding of the world around us. But soap isn't just limited to scientific applications. It also has a significant impact on our daily lives. From personal hygiene to cleaning products, soap is an essential component in many aspects of our daily routines. But have you ever stopped to think about the environmental impact of soap production and usage? For example, did you know that the production of soap can lead to the release of harmful chemicals and pollutants into our environment? And it's not just the production process that's a concern. The packaging and transportation of soap also contribute to waste and pollution. So what can we do to reduce the environmental impact of soap? One solution is to switch to eco-friendly soap alternatives made from natural ingredients and biodegradable materials.
Another option is to use soap more efficiently, by using it only when necessary and avoiding excessive use. But that's not all. Soap can also be used as a valuable resource in wastewater treatment and purification processes.
In fact, soap has been used for centuries to clean and purify water in various cultures and communities. But did you know that soap can also be used to create a soap-making machine that can help clean up oil spills and other environmental disasters? Imagine a machine that can clean up oil spills in just a few hours, rather than taking months or even years. But that's not the most impressive part. The soap-making machine can also be used to create a sustainable source of energy. And it's not just a concept. There are already companies working on developing soap-based technologies to clean up pollution and create sustainable energy sources. So why not explore this fascinating world of soap further? From its incredible surface tension properties to its potential applications in science, technology, and sustainability, soap is a truly remarkable substance. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of soap and discover its many wonders for yourself. Subscribe to our channel for more engaging and informative videos on science, technology, and sustainability. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on the amazing world of soap. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation on this fascinating topic. If you found this video fascinating, subscribe to our channel for more engaging and informative content on science, technology, and sustainability.